guys, I'm at Baan Condo today. I want to show you one particular room for sale. You can buy one for me if you like. I really like it here. Love everything about it. If you want to see the common area of these condos, I will put the link of that video in the description box, okay? Oh, how can I get down? Oh, you can go that way, but I don't want to. Is there a shortcut? Yeah. No one here. I can see the beach, you see? How lovely there. Oh, no one here. No one here. Can't tell anyone. Okay. 1, 2. Shit. Wow! Shh. Okay. So, we're inside the building and we're going to go to the 3rd floor. We're on the 1st floor here. It's really nice. I mean, you can drive in here as well. Nice and quiet, you guys. You can park your bikes here too. Look how lovely. You can park your bicycle here. My lift is here. Bye bye. Beautiful day. I love to dance, but I don't know how. That's okay. I don't care. Let's walk into the room. Beautiful wooden door. In the dancing mode. Okay, so when you walk in, you see this nice big aircon, fridge, a proper kitchen so you can cook a proper meal with ovens, cool, cooktop hoods and plenty of storage here. Everything that you need. There's even 2 stools here too. I like this. Cool. And check this out. I love how they have a lot of storage and shelves. Go. Now let's have a look at the 2nd bedroom. Now ignore all the mess, okay, and concentrate on me. So there's a bed. There's actually 2 single beds here. They put it together. They put them together. And there's air cons and all this built in. Oh, I like you. I love you. Who's talking to themselves? And a lot of storage again, of course. So this is the 2nd bedroom. So when you walk out, you get this bathroom on my right hand side. Which, you know, they've got everything you need with the shower head, toilet and sink. And when you walk out of the bathroom or walk out of the bedroom, you get this. Ta-da! Washing machines. That's so neat. It's really handy. And you know what? This is so small, but I like it. I really love this. So you can put all your brooms and stuff like that. If you love to keep your house clean and you have a few, you know, cleaning equipment, you know how I feel when I don't know where to put my brooms. And this is nice and neat. You can hide them in here. Wonderful, wonderful. With a generous sized dining table. I love it. And you can sit here, enjoy the view. It's really nice. Smell good. Who set the table? Hang on, let me move the knife properly. That's better. That's better. Now we are walking into the living room. Nice and open. You get the TV there. You can entertain your friends. You know, making all the food and enjoying yourself. Yeah, what is this? The Power of Now. This is a good book. This is a really good book, but I always know the power of now, so I don't need to read this book. What is this? The Changing Mind. I don't know this one. That's interesting. I might have to borrow this book. Not this one. The Organized Mind. I like that. Cool. Let's check out the main bedroom. Nice, interesting looking door. Oh, hold on. But there's another door here. What's that? Oh, it doesn't fit. Oh shit, that's not for me. This must be my door, not that one. There you go. Very nice. Wow. Amazing. Oh, who doesn't like this? Who doesn't like this bed like this? I love it. Oh. Beautiful, nice and open. You've got a lot of natural light that coming in here. You don't need to turn the aircon on. You don't even need to turn the light on. And you see how spacious is this? You can walk out of the balcony here. You can hear the water. Oh, it sounds relaxing and the view is amazing. You know what? I can see the beach. I can see the beach right there. Right there. Now I'm just gonna go back in and see what they have. So there's a aircon here and there's some built-in drawers and cabinets and bathroom. Same with the other room. So there's a shower, toilet and a sink. So this is a master bedroom with everything you need. Walking out with these beautiful, beautiful lights. I loved it. Wow. Now, well, this big balcony. Let's have barbecue, hey? So we're cooking something here already. Now we got some fish here. We just grilled fish. Oh, this is not cooked just yet. Have to flip it around. And we got some sea crab, guys. Oh, I think this is cooked. This is not cooked yet. And we got some hot dog. Yeah? Oh, fantastic. Wonderful. Wow. Oh, God. Oh, my gosh. Very nice. Very relaxing. So I can see the beautiful Hua Hin beach right there. You can see all the flowers. I always love this kind of view, you know, on top of the trees. And you see this swimming pool. It would be nice if there's some sexy girls swimming, you know. Just saying. That's a naughty Anya again. And the sounds of water is just relaxing. This is the best. I mean, you can spend all day, every day here. You can see your beautiful bedroom right there. Oh, the bedroom is perfect. And I want to sit here so I can see outside. Oh gosh. Wow. And what should I eat? Which one can I drink? I'm gonna have a little party here. You know what? I want to try the green. That's nice. Oh, why not with the red? Wow. Refreshing, that's nice too. Oh, man. This is the best. The best of the best. What else would you ask more? Look at the blue sky. Ah, guys, I want to have a sleep. It's wonderful. If you want to check out the common area of these condos, I will put the link in the description below, and I'm falling to sleep right now, guys. And Anya, love you all. Okay. Bye bye.